हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई थिंक बहुत दिन हो गए, फिर से मैंने कुछ पोस्ट नहीं किया है। लास्ट टाइम मैंने स्कॉटलैंड ट्रिप के सीरीज़ पोस्ट किए थे, बट उसके बाद बहुत एग्ज़ाम्स एंड असाइनमेंट सबमिशंस, पार्ट टाइम जॉब, उसमें बहुत टाइम कमिटमेंट देना पड़ा, जिसके वजह से मुझे बहुत चीज़ें रह गए अपलोड करने। बट आई थिंक फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स आई माइट बी रेगुलर टू अपलोड those things, and you might see some more videos regularly. Anyways, back to the topic. So we have recently moved into this new place. I'm living with Rahul, who is my friend. You all might know from my previous videos. I will introduce you with him in some next videos maybe, क्योंकि फिलहाल he is not home. And I thought, let's give you a quick tour of my new room. I love this room very much. यहाँ से almost all the best attractions of Newcastle दिख जाता है. हाँ, of course थोड़ा दूर दूर है, but you can just look around and this place is nice. But I will show you now. Okay. Also, I will tell you all the things like how much rent I am paying, how much bills are coming out, और कितना expenses जाता है monthly. Soon in this video, and apart from that, how to find a house, all those steps. So let's start with Rahul's room. This is Rahul's room, the first bedroom of our house. Pretty spacious, and then a car collection. Wow, this view. It's quite sunny today, and you can see bahar almost all, I mean, that's the key side, which is the main attraction of Newcastle. Just behind this building, वो camera से clearly नहीं दिखेगा इतना, but yes, you can see this. Then there is one more bridge over there, and some monuments, cathedrals, and the best part is this park. This park just next to our building. It is so soothing to go out, just sit there and chill out. It's so soothing. So the best part is sunrise starts from here, comes here, वहाँ जाता है और living room तक आता है and sunset हो जाता है. This is the best part. Like, we get to see everything from sunrise to sunset, and we get to witness everything. So next comes our balcony. This is a balcony, pretty small but good to just stand here and chill out. So यहाँ पे थोड़े हमने plants लगाए और extra add करेंगे. राहुल ने ये सब plants लाए हैं, ये मेरा birthday gift था. And then there's more plants over here. और यहाँ पे यहाँ से खिड़की है, and this is my room. So whenever I wake up, I can see just outside my room all these plants and everything. Feels very soothing. Now let's go to my room. I like my room very much. I made it cozy. So yes, this is my room. That's my shoe stand, the laundry bag. मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड्स के फ़ोटोज़ लगाए, फैमिली के फ़ोटोज़ लगाए. दैट्स माई वर्किंग डेस्क. लेकिन यहाँ पे काम नहीं होता अच्छे से, सो आई हैव क्रिएटेड वन मोर वर्किंग डेस्क इन लिविंग रूम, तो वहाँ का दिखाऊंगा भी. दिस गणपति बप्पा, मम्मी पापा, एंड या सम पेंटिंग्स फ्रॉम माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. शी पेंट्स वेरी नाइस थिंग्स. सो एंड ये मुझे फ्रेंड्स ने गिफ्ट दिया था. Anyways, वो बहुत आउट ऑफ द टॉपिक जा रहा है, बट या यू कैन सी दिस व्यू. लाइक जैसे ही उठ के तुम ये व्यू देखोगे बाहर, बहुत अच्छा गुड मॉर्निंग हो जाता है. क्वाइट स्मॉल wardrobe, but yes, enough for one person. Good room. Then we have store room. The store room, यहाँ पे हम यूजुअली शूज़ एंड ऑल द लॉन्ड्री का थिंग रखते हैं. ये ड्रायर हमने खुद से ख़रीदा है बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द रूम, जस्ट विद द वॉशिंग मशीन. यू कैन सी. एंड देन This is washroom. Washroom is also quite spacious. That's the shower area, and that's the toilet. So yes. Then we will move to kitchen. This is very decent, very nice for two people. यहाँ 4 cooktop है, good area for cleaning the vessels, and then fridge, thoda area to tabletop, and see this view right from our kitchen. Like whenever you're cooking and looking around, it feels so damn nice that you just need to just makes a person happy when you are cooking and looking around. अभी फिलहाल मैंने राइस डाला था. So yeah, this is our kitchen. Then comes the best part, the living room. Just as you enter, the very first thing people do is look around bahar. Now here you can see all the main attractions. So that's the King's Gate, which is Newcastle ka main gate, which is from the first King's Gate of Newcastle University. Then you can see the Newcastle Stadium. When there is match day, वहाँ पे lights रहता है, audiences दिखता है, बहुत crazy view रहता है. Just next to it is Newcastle Business School, if you can recognize, just next to it. Then that's the monument जिसके लिए Newcastle famous है. I mean, one of the famous things in Newcastle. That's the monument. Then you can see that Newcastle Cathedral, and then you can also see, where is it? Okay, so that's the bridge. That's one more bridge, and that's one more bridge. Apart from that, see this view just down there. This is Northumbria University, Newcastle, and the best part of this room. Yes, and uske alawa, good 2 sofas to sit around, watch some movies, watch something. We recently took a TV, and then this is a small cute toy over here. So this I made my working space, for temporary working space. अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे बैठ के काम करने और बाहर व्यू देखना. So yeah, that's all with this room, and yeah. So now let's come to the main topic, which is how much we pay for this room. So the rent is £900 per month, which is 450 per person. In Indian rupees, it might be around 48 to 50,000 INR. Apart from that, bills are not included in the rent, so we have to pay it separately. So electricity bill, water bill, council tax, all that goes around maximum £150, which is like £600 per person, then 450 plus 150. So in total it goes around £600, you can say, but that's the maximum limit for this room. The best part is paying 450 rent for this room is quite decent, because yes, you can get more rooms for less price, but you won't get the vibe that we get here on this room. And apart from that, the living expenses, you can say around £50 per week for groceries and stuffs and transportation maybe. So you can take around £200 per month are the expenses, which goes to around 800 to 900 pounds living expenses. So yeah, it is quite expensive, but once you start earning, then it doesn't feel too much. Apart from that, where did I find this room? I didn't do anything. Rahul did everything. So he started viewing this room. So our last previous tenancy was ending around September, and he started looking for rooms right from April onwards. He started viewing more than 50 rooms, I think so. He used to go alone. He used to view rooms. एंड ऐसे ही करते करते दिस वॉज वन ऑफ दोज वी वर नॉट इवन थिंकिंग ऑफ कि कैसे रहेगा क्या रहेगा, बट वंस वी केम हियर एंड वी जस्ट दिल लग गया बस इस रूम में, एंड इट वॉज सो नाइस दैट वी बुकड इट राइट अवे. सो बट दिस रूम वॉज recommended to us by one of the offline agency, Bricks and Mortars, which is just next to Northumbria University. So it was not available online at all. So yeah, that's the best part. I do feel lucky enough to get this room, and yes, I feel connected a lot with this room. I of course miss my old room, but this room is best. I mean, I could never think of living in a space like this, just in the city center. You can see everything. This is the best part. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think I will post more regularly now. Some more things, maybe Newcastle City tour, maybe the college campus tour, and some best attractions and some more things. Let's see. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.